On the night of 1 July 2002, Bashkirian Airlines Flight 2937, a Tupolev Tu-154 passenger jet, and DHL Flight 611, a Boeing 757 cargo jet, collided in mid-air over Überlingen, a southern German town on Lake Constance, near the Swiss border. All 69 passengers and crew aboard the Tupolev and both crew members of the Boeing were killed. The official investigation by the German Federal Bureau of Aircraft Accident Investigation identified as the main cause of the collision a number of shortcomings on the part of the Swiss Air Traffic Control Service in charge of the sector involved, as well as ambiguities in the procedures regarding the use of TCAS, the onboard aircraft collision avoidance system. 110. A year and a half after the crash, on 24 February 2004, Peter Nielsen, the air traffic controller on duty at the time of the collision, was murdered in an apparent act of revenge by Vitaly Kaloyev, a Russian citizen who had lost his wife and 2 children in the accident. Bashkirian Airlines Flight 2937 was a chartered flight from Moscow, Russia, to Barcelona, Spain, carrying 60 passengers and 9 crew. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.